Hello, my name is Nick Stimoulis of the digital marketing agency Brick Marketing. During today's video strategy session, I'll discuss why and how website user behavior can help improve an SEO program. We often think that understanding and aligning with search engine algorithms is key to SEO success. However, the true priority should be understanding our users and their behaviors. Search engines aim to provide the best results for their users. So focusing on user needs, you can naturally improve your search engine rankings. Search engines are primarily concerned with user satisfaction. When someone types in a keyword phrase search, the search engine's goal is to return the most relevant and helpful search results. If users find what they're looking for, they'll continue using that search engine. Therefore, designing your website to meet your users' needs will also align with what the search engines wants. Keywords are still important, but their role has really evolved. Instead of focusing on exact keyword matches, use keywords to understand user intent and behavior. Create content that addresses these needs, as modern algorithms are sophisticated enough to recognize relevance and usefulness beyond simple keyword matches. To understand your audience better, analyze your website data. Look at keywords that lead to users to your site and see how they interact with your content. Check metrics like click-through rates and time spent on your website to gauge how well your content is being received. This data is crucial for tailoring your content to better meet user expectations. Understanding your audience allows you to create content that truly resonates with them. When your content aligns with user interests and needs, it's not only improves user satisfaction, but also boosts your organic results. Search engines reward content that is useful and relevant to users. Thanks so much for listening. My name is Nick Stimoulis from the Boston-based digital marketing agency Brick Marketing. Please be sure to visit our website at brickmarketing.com and follow us at Brick Marketing.